Hello children, welcome to our 8th English class. Children, I taught you active verbs and passive verbs, and today with regard to active verbs and passive verbs, let's do some example as a revision so that you can practice well, okay? So, write down, before that, open your grammar notes. In that, give a heading active verbs, passive verbs, revision, okay? Active voice, passive voice. Make a 2 column. In that, these are the changes that we observe when we are doing active voice to passive voice, children, okay? That is, first, I will become me, okay? Then we become us, he become him, she become her, they become them, okay? These you have to make the continuation is there. What is the active verbs, passive verbs, children? In the active verbs we have seen where object that receiving a action, right? Object receiving action in a passive voice, and we also seen that subject versus object in active voice. When it comes to passive voice, object will become subject, object will become subject, right? And these object here, this subject will become object, correct, in a passive voice, right? That is the one. And here I will become me, we become us, he become him, she become her, they become them. Then after that, after can become can be, could become could be, may become maybe, maybe, shall become shall be, will become will be, would become would be, here I will write might become, might be, let become, let be, okay? After would add this one, might be, let be. These are the changes when we observe in a passive voice. A sentence which was in active voice will become to a passive voice when it comes. Can will become can be, could become could be, may become may be, shall become shall be, will become will be, would be, might be, let be, okay? These are the changes that you have to observe when you are changing active words to passive words. These words will become to these words. This is for your information, children, okay? Because you are coming midterm will be followed by such things, such example, and you must be ready to do it. Okay. Now let's try some example. Write down, after this write down examples. Okay. Okay, now a sentence was in past simple tense. First example, which is in past simple tense. Okay, a sentence was in a past simple tense where example, the company hired new workers last year. Okay, it was in past simple tense. So what you have to observe here, this is the one, this is the subject here, right children? This is the subject and workers, this is the object in this sentence, right? When it comes to passive verbs, these object will become subject and subject will become object. So what is that? The company hired new workers last year. So write down new workers, here plural. So we are here using were, new workers were hired by the company last year. Okay, is it clear? New workers, here see workers is a plural, so here we used were. Suppose here only worker is there singular, then we can use here was. So here plural, so we use here were. The new worker were hired by the company last year. So object becomes subject and subject become here object. That was in a past simple tense. Okay, now next one. See children, they have already discussed the book. This is a present perfect tense, so the book has been already discussed. Okay, they have already discussed the book and the book has been here children. Clear? And if suppose it was a past perfect, then he had delivered the letter. Okay, see here, had. The letter had been delivered by, he become him. Here had become had been. So children, what you have to observe is, look at here, the sentence was in present perfect tense where they have already discussed the book. Then when it comes to a passive voice, these have will become has been. Okay, the book has been already discussed. Whereas if it is suppose past perfect tense, he had delivered the letters, and these past perfect will turn to had been. Have, has been, had been. Clear? Is it clear, children? So see, you remember that when we are changing active voice to passive voice, tense will not change. I hope you remember. Where subject will become object, object will become subject. Suppose you see here, was helping. It was in a past continuous tense. So when we are making into a past continuous, we are not changing the tense. We are just retain the tense as it is. So we made it as was being. Have, has been, had been. Okay, these are the changes, children, that you have to observe. And let's do future simple tense example. Okay. Future simple tense. Future simple tense. The company will hire new workers. So see here, that time I gave in a past simple tense, now it was in a future simple tense, will. Don't get confused. Sentence is same but the tense was different. So will is there. How your people will make? Will become will be. In that chart you have done it. Okay. Remember, a new worker will be hired by the company. Okay, is it clear? Then the next one is I will read an interesting story. I will read an interesting novel. Answer: an interesting novel. An interesting novel will be read by Me. I will become me. Correct? Then this is a future simple tense. To example now. Future continuous tense where example see I am going to read. I am going to read a novel. An interesting novel. So, an interesting novel is going to be read. Is going to be read by me. Okay, this is a past continuous tense where I am going to that become is going to be when it is in a future continuous tense, whereas future simple tense will become will be. So what you have to do in the sense, the chart which I gave you in the beginning of this class, that you have to see properly. After that you have to identify and recognize the tense was in which, a sentence was in which tense, then later on you have to change it. Okay children, this is up to few example of active voice and passive voice. Remember children, these active voice and passive voice is there for your midterm portion. Okay, till then children, take care and read well. I'll see you in the next class.